Tired of digging through Salesforce setup to add a simple link button? Here's exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes. I know the feeling. You're clicking around, hoping to stumble on the right menu, and somehow you end up in permissions or field history tracking instead. Let's fix that right now. So here's the plan. We'll start from the gear icon, open up Advanced Setup, find the Object Manager, and create a brand new button with your URL. Simple stuff. All right, let's jump in. First thing you want to do is look up at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. See that little gear icon? Go ahead and click that. That's your quick access to all the settings we need. This is where every setup journey in Salesforce begins, so get comfortable with that gear. Now, from that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup. Click on that. This is going to take you into the full setup environment where all the real configuration happens. It might take a second to load, so just give it a moment. Once you're in, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down or search for Object Manager. Click on that. Now, the Object Manager is basically the command center for every object in your Salesforce org. Accounts, contacts, custom objects, all of it. So here's the part where you need to know which object you want to add that link button to. In the search bar at the top of the Object Manager, go ahead and type in the name of your object. For this example, I'm using linked article, but you'd put whatever your object is called. Just type it in and hit enter. Find your object in the list and click on its name. That'll open up the object's detail page. Now, look across the top of that page for a tab that says Buttons and Links. Click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Every button that exists on this object lives right here. You should see a button up towards the top right that says New Button or Link. Click that. This opens up the editor where we'll build our custom link. All right, now we're in the form. First field is Label. This is what your users are going to see on the button, so make it clear and descriptive. Something like Go to Help Center or View Documentation. Type that in. Next field down is Name. Now, this one is important. Salesforce will auto-generate something based on your label, and you can usually keep that. But if you want to change it, just make sure it doesn't have any spaces or special characters. Underscores are fine. Now here's the key part. Look for the drop-down that says Content Source. By default, it might be set to something else, but we want it set to URL. Go ahead and select that. Once you do, a new field will appear where you can paste your link. Go ahead and paste the full URL you want this button to go to. Make sure it starts with HTTPS so it works properly. Double-check everything. Your label looks good, the name is clean, the URL is correct. Then just click Save at the bottom. And that's it. You've just created a custom link button on your Salesforce object. Now your users have a direct path to wherever you need them to go. No more digging through setup menus, no more confusion. You can do this for any object in your org. And honestly, once you've done it once, it takes maybe a minute next time. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Go ahead and give it a try on your own object, and you'll see just how straightforward it really is.